Hey everybody, how are you? So, I was just going to start to do this and I thought, gee, this is a learning tool. So why not do it live? You know, I come to realize a lot of the things I do, I only use Young Living products, but I don't always share them with you. I just assume you guys all know how to use everything. But you know what? There's so many little nuances and little things that you can learn. So I don't know who's on because there's some kind of blue thing. But I'm going to show you how you can clean your diamonds and make them sparkle, especially that we're in the holiday season and we're going to cocktail parties and dinner parties and family events and don't want to show off the beautiful jewelry that we've gotten as gifts and that we love and treasure so much. Because I don't know about you, but me, I've been baking and cooking and I don't take my jewelry off, so my engagement ring and my wedding band can start to look a little foggy and not so brilliant. So today I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to clean your diamonds. So what you're going to need, of course, is your diamonds, okay? So I'm going to clean my engagement ring and my wedding band, okay? And all I need is a little colander like this, okay? Just a little pot, tiny pot. I need about a half a cup of water will do. All right, half a cup of water. I'm going to take my diamonds and I'm just gonna put them in my pot, just like that. I'm going to get my thieves cleaner, okay? And all I need is a cap full or less. So I'm just going to use this cap to do it. Here you go, here's a cap full, and that's a lot, but I wanna make sure that my diamonds sparkle. Then what I need is about 10 drops of lemon. So I'm going to add the lemon. And lemon degreases, it cuts through the fatty stuff that might be stuck, the gunk and stuff. So what I'm going to do is turn on my pot, right? Put this on a low flame. And I'm going to make it have a quick boil. I'm going to let it have a quick boil. In the meantime, let's see if I can pick this up. I can't pick this up, so I'm going to have to come down here, which is very uncomfortable. But I want to show you what the diamond looks like when it's all sparkly. So some of the other tips and tricks that I suggest you do is how to cut corners and how to use the thieves cleaners when getting the biggest bang for the buck. So I think I've showed this video about 1,000 times, and that's getting the thieves dish soap. Getting the thieves dish soap is definitely a great value, okay? Because you're gonna get 4 bottles for the price of 1 bottle. So for instance, this guy here, I get 4 bottles out of it. And I do that by buying this bottle, emptying out 3/4 of it in a glass jar, keeping 1/4 of it in here, filling the remaining with warm water and a teaspoon of baking soda. I close the cap, oops, and swish gently. If it's closed, it just went on the floor. Swish gently, and then there you go. Now I have a full bottle of Thieves dish soap. Remember, Thieves is very concentrated. So you get the biggest bang for your buck this way too. Let me give you another hack that's super great. So, as you know, we have the dishwashing soap, right? This is a powder. Have you guys seen how big the cap is in here? Do you have any idea how big it is? So I just want to show you what a full load, what I use for a full load, just so you know. That's it. Look how tiny this is. This is teeny tiny, okay? Now what you can do is you can actually, oops, okay, my water's boiling over. All right, let that boil just a little longer, just a few minutes longer, so I can finish this. So what you want to do, you can actually take this, cut it in half, so you only have this much. Can you see, like under here? Then you can fill the rest with baking soda, okay? Lemon essential oil, a drop or 2, and you could add that to your dishwasher, and you're going to get the same amazing results for a fraction of the price. So buying this is actually the most cost-effective thing you can do. All right? So I just gave you 2 awesome tricks and tips for saving money and getting the biggest bang for your buck when it comes to Thieves. As far as the Thieves household cleaner, there are a bazillion ways you can save money and use that product, right? We get like 1,000 spray bottles. Well, I'm exaggerating, maybe about 15. So it's pretty awesome. Okay, now I just want to show you the ring has been boiled. All right, it's boiled. By the way, I don't know about you, but how many cleaners have you used in your life that smell this amazing? So not only are you cleaning your stuff, but your house, my house right now smells like cloves, cinnamon, eucalyptus, lemon, just because I just washed or cleaned or boiled, I should say, my diamonds. All right, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to be out of your way for a minute. I just don't want to stick my hands in boiling hot water. Ooh. Sorry. Okay, boiling hot water, but I want to show you the diamonds. Okay, I haven't even started to scrub these yet. Look how they're sparkling. Look how they're sparkling. Let me get a paper towel. Now, the one thing you might want to do is if you have an old toothbrush, you can just kind of give it a little bit of a brush. All right, just give it a little bit of a brush here. Just kind of get in the grooves a little bit, because an old toothbrush, the bristles are very soft and they're not going to scratch anything. Okay. All right, let me rinse this quick. All righty. And let's dry it up. Okay. Look at that, guys. Can you see this sparkling? I don't know if you could see how this is sparkling. Look at that. These were dull. I was making cookies this morning. They were dull and gray and blah. And now, let me see if I shut this light, if you'll get a better, you'll see it better. Yeah. Look at that. So, easy peasy, guys. The diamond looks beautiful now. The wedding band looks beautiful. Clean your diamonds. Clean them. Have them beautifully ready for your holiday season. All right, guys, I hope this was a great little tip for you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.